Hi everyone, so back with the S-Type here, and she's actually jacked up at quite an angle. You can see she's all jacked up. So we've got a 3-ton jack just here with a puck. I've also got a 6-ton axle stand just here, and then right underneath you can see I've got another 6-ton axle stand there. I didn't do this just for fun. I've actually got a problem with the gearbox mount. The top part of the rear gearbox mount has perished. I tried to get a replacement gearbox mount, an aftermarket one, and unfortunately it's absolutely rubbish. It wasn't tuned for this car. It was mounted correctly by a Master Jaguar Technician. We just weren't able to get a sufficient reduction in noise, harshness and vibration. There was a lot of clonking noises coming from the gearbox, there was a lot of vibration, and even just stationary, you could put the car into neutral and hold around 1600 RPM and the car would be shaking. So it just shows how much vibration can get transmitted, how much the original Jaguar gearbox mount, the rear gearbox mount, does suppress a lot of vibration. However, I've got the car jacked up here because I may have a bit of a plan. If I show you the failing gearbox mount, the original one that's now back on the car, you can see where the problem is. But I do have a section of rubber that I may be able to insert just to patch it up until such time I can find a genuine Jaguar rear gearbox mount for the 4.2 supercharged AJ33S engine. Okay, so here is the replacement bit of rubber. I'm hopefully I'm gonna slot it in like this. So hopefully we'll be able to get a little bit of rubber in there, just in that gap up there, hopefully. And hopefully I should be able to just push it into place. We're in luck. And I can't do it one-handed, so I'm going to put the camera down. Okay, not sure if that's coming out too well. Well, I've got the bit of rubber in there, and I'm just going to try and squeeze that in as best I can. So she's now in there. I think it's better than nothing, but so you can see the new bit just in there. Hopefully that's going to be okay. It's not a perfect fit, but literally just loads of black stuff kind of fell out when I pushed it through. Maybe I'll just bring this round the camera right here. Look, this black stuff here, this is literally what just fell out. It's just completely destroyed. It's full of oil as well, so that's not great. If I now try and just show on the mirror, I can try and get a better position. Apologies, but it is rather difficult operating under here. I think you can just see the leading edge of the new bit of rubber in there if you look at the mirror carefully. So hopefully this will do. What I'm going to do now is just drop the car down, get her ready, and then just give her a bit of a run and see if everything's still okay. Nice and quiet and quite warm in here so far, which is great news. Last time when the slightly dodgy alleged OEM replacement gearbox mount was on, there was quite a lot of vibration noise at startup. I'm pleased to report that didn't happen this time, but the real test will be just putting the handbrake on, which I've just done now, moving into neutral, make sure the handbrake's still on. It is. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take her up to around 1600 RPM. RPM. It's a very, very, very slight tremor. However, that's still pretty smooth. I'd say that's yeah, it's a very, very slight tremor there, but nothing like the aftermarket alleged OEM rear gearbox mount. This is much just like the original one, but obviously slightly reinforced with some rubber. Guess the proof on the pudding is to take her out for a quick run, so I'll do that now and report back. Pretty happy with the levels of refinement in here. There's no vibration coming through from the gearbox. Just a 30 mile/hour speed limit around here. Just gently coasting along. Slight creak coming from the driver's seat, but nothing unusual there. Rare bit of smooth tarmac in Northamptonshire. Very, very quiet. Very pleased with that. No issues on the faster stretches of the road either. No excessive vibration or anything like that from the gearbox. I'd say this is pretty much a good job. So I'm just going to head back home now. Weather's starting to turn. We're expecting a storm. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Plenty more content coming along very soon. Thanks a lot.